Hello guys, this is David from Mobix. I'm going to show you one of the mobile essential add-ons that we have developed for our clients. So what is the problem? Sometimes in your CRM you have your data, but your data is all messed up, like sometimes you have lowercase, sometimes you have your letters, some of them are capitalized and some of them are not. When you have your websites, some of them are with the HTTP prefix, some of them are not. And it doesn't happen only in your accounts but also in other modules as leads. So you have the name of your leads, the last name in capital or the name in capital is not consistent. So also the name of the company sometimes is lowercase, sometimes is capital letter, and the same problem with the website. So the way we have solved this is with this apply data quality button, which what you only have to do is when you see something that is wrong, that is not fixing your standards, you apply this, you press this button, and it will automatically formats all your data in the way you want it. So let's see a live video, a live demo of this working. Here I have these three records, which as you can see are very bad formatted. Some of them have HTTP, lowercase. So I'm just going to apply the button that we have developed at Mobix right here in the three of them, and I'm going to do a refresh. And as you can see, all the data was formatted, all the accounts were put in capital letters, the websites were all well formatted, and it works in different modules. So this one is right, but you see the name of these people here is not very well. So I apply my data quality here, and I do a refresh in Michelle, which was the one that I applied the data quality. And you can see that now Michelle is in proper name, the name of the company is in capital, and the website is well formatted. So that's the way it works. You just have to press the button and it will automatically format all your data in the way you want it. Voila. As you can see here, all my companies are in capital, all the websites are well organized and well formatted, and this is pretty useful when you do mailing and many cross data functions. So remember that this functionality can be deployed in any CRM module, in leads, accounts, contacts, potentials. We can have different views. I mean, you can have it in the button, or you can have it in the contact view, for example, or when you edit it. There are many places where you can put this button. It will run automatically every time you create a new record, so you don't have to worry about the new records that are coming because it runs automatically. And also we can apply it to all your past records. So what are you waiting to bring your CRM to the next level with the Mobix Essential add-on? If you need more information, please contact us. Bye.